Hi, this is Dr. Ferris, and this video is for my patients as a review for their low back exercises. If you notice that some of the exercises are different than what we've done during your appointment time, then please follow the exercises that I gave you at that time. This is just generally where I start everybody, and it will be based on person's abilities to be able to do the exercises, and this is at least a good guidance to the first part of the low back exercises. I'm going to start off with actually a posture check, and we're going to do the yoga pose of mountain pose. So first let's just talk about posture in general. For the most part, when we stand up, our shoulders are rounded forward, our neck comes out, or neck comes forward. We have weak abdominal muscles, we have too much curvature to our low back. So generally speaking, this is how most people are. So what I'd like you to try to do at least once or twice a day, or actually if you're getting ready to do any type of exercises, is actually pull your abdominal muscles in, bring them up, and then with your sacrum or your low back, you're going to want to bring that down. So again, you're pulling your abdominal muscles in and you're bringing your sacrum down. Bring your hands out to the side, roll your shoulders back, bring your neck slightly backwards or slightly back, and then pretend as if somebody is actually taking a string and lifting up your head. So you're going to want to be roll shoulders back, chin up, and tummy in, sacrum down. As you're in this pose, think about or feel how your body moves. Are you standing in one side? How does this feel? Do you feel centered on both feet? If you're noticing that you're swaying to one side versus the other, it might be just time for an adjustment. Also, it can just be indicative of some weaknesses that we're probably working through. So just take a moment in this position, again just on the side view, pulling your stomach in, sacrum down, shoulders roll back, neck a little bit further back, and it's great just to kind of hold that pose for a couple minutes and just see what you're feeling. Then we're going to start with our low back exercises. So you hopefully have a nice comfy mat like I do. And you're going to start with your knees bent, hands at your side. And what you're going to do is you're going to press your back down to the mat, and then you're going to relax. So again, you're going to press your back down to the mat, and then you're going to relax. Now you shouldn't have any upper back movement with this. It should just be focused on the lower back. And I noticed that for some people, when they have little weaknesses to their lower back or to their abdominal muscles, they tend to try to move and use their upper back to push their lower back down. You want to really try to keep no movement in the upper back, and you really want to focus on feeling this lower back and feeling your back pressing to the surface. Then the next step is you're going to have one leg, your right leg, bring it at 90 degrees, and again you're going to press your back down and then relax. Then you're going to go onto your left side, 90 degrees, and press your back down. Bring both legs down, again press your back down. This exercise is actually called the pelvic tilt, and it's usually the basic first step of the low back exercises. You're going to bring one leg up, 90 degrees, opposite arm up, and again press your back down. And then relax. You're going to go on to the next side, bring your other arm up, press your back down, and then relax. Then you're going to bring both legs up, both arms up, pressing your back
down. Bring your arms out to the side so that your palms are face up. You're going to roll to the right. Bring them down as far as you can. You can also look over to the opposite side, get a little stretch in there. Then engage those abdominal muscles, bringing your body, your legs back into that first position. Make sure that you're keeping your lower back pressed down. Then you're going to roll to the opposite direction. I'm going to my left. I'm looking over to my right. Bring your legs back to center. Bring your legs down. Bring your arms down. Go ahead and press your back down again. Now we're going to do a little variation to what we just did, working a little bit more of our abdominal muscles. It may not be the first place I start with some people. It's really going to be based on the strength of your abdominal muscles. You're going to bend one leg up, the opposite leg comes out, bring your arm up. So really engage those abdominal muscles. Bring your legs down, press your back down. And we're going to do that to the other side. Bend your leg, other leg is extended. Bring your arm up, really engaging the abdominal muscles. Bring your legs down, press your back down. Do it one more time. Press your back down. So this is the first step in the lower back exercises. I'm going to continue on doing different exercises each week, and hopefully you can just follow along with me while you're doing them at home. Again, if there's any different variations that I gave you while we were during treatment, then please continue to do those variations.